Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Ahmed. Today I am discussing the conversions related to heat, ventilation and air conditioning, in which we'll be discussing 1 ton equal to 12,000 BTU per hour. Here 1 ton is the tonnage refrigeration and is equal to 12,000 BTU per hour. 12,000 BTU per hour. BTU is British thermal unit per hour. This is the standard. Next, we'll see 1 ton equal to 4.71 HP. HP is the horsepower. And next, 1 ton equal to 12 LRA. This is on the compressor. We will be having LRA units. So if the compressor is like 2 ton, if you want to know, so 24 LRA will be here. So I'll show you the examples below this, and in here it is for 3-phase compressor. And next is 1 ton equal to 400 CFM. This is the right hand thumb rule, 400 CFM. So coming for the first example, here we'll go for AC unit cooling capacity. How to find out AC unit cooling capacity, where the cooling capacity is given on the nameplate of the fan coil unit. Take example as 36,000 British thermal unit per hour, BTU per hour. So if 36,000 BTU per hour is given in cooling capacity, the tonnage is we know 1 ton equal to 12,000 BTU per hour. This we have learnt here. So cooling capacity is 36,000 divided by 12,000. So 12, and these 3 zeros and 3 zeros will go. 12 1s are 12, 3s are 36. So the tonnage is 3 ton. So by just seeing the cooling BTU per hour, you can come to know that it is 3 ton machine. So on your fingertips you can just see the cooling capacity in the British thermal units per hour, and you can tell. And next example is if you are not able to find how much tonnage when the outdoor is there and the compressor is there. So if it's a 3-phase compressor over there, LRA is there. So LRA, if you're having 60 LRA is given, example you take for a 3-phase compressor. So what will be the tonnage? To find out that 1 ton equal to 12 LRA for 3-phase compressor. So for 60 LRA, tonnage is 60 divided by 12, 5 ton machine. It is a 5 ton machine. 12 on the 12, 5 is a 60. It is a 5 ton machine. And next, this all will be helpful. What all the conversions I have discussed, it will be helpful for your educational purpose and work purpose also. And next example will go for the CFM. This is very important. We'll take an example for a AC unit where the airflow CFM is cubic feet per minute. It's a measure of airflow of the AC unit. The AC unit is giving 600 CFM. So what will be the tonnage? So we know 1 ton equal to 400 CFM. So 600 divided by 400, we will be getting 4 ton. It is a 4 ton machine. So from all this, these are the few which I felt that needs to be discussed for the freshers or the for people who are interested in the HVAC field, so they can get to know these all things. In coming videos I'll be discussing more and more about the heat ventilation, air conditioning, details, and how you can come across the problems you'll be facing in design and or on on site. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my video. It will be helpful. Thank you very much.